Hello class 12th. Today I am going to continue with this chapter number 30, principles and processes of biotechnology, and now today I am going to continue with this topic, that is processes of biotechnology. It is the fourth step of the processes of biotechnology. In previous video we studied about the insertion of we studied about the PCR, polymerase chain reaction. Now today I am going to start with this topic, insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell. मीन्स आप जब हम PCR अपना कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, मीन्स हम उसकी मल्टीपल कॉपीज़ बना लेते हैं बाय एम्प्लीफिकेशन. आफ्टर दैट जो हमें रिकॉम्बिनेंट DNA मिलता है अब हम उसको इंसर्ट करेंगे इनटू द होस्ट सेल. ओके, now the ligated DNA is then, this one is the insertion of the recombinant DNA, this one is gene of interest DNA and this one is bacterial DNA, and हम इसको यहाँ से कट कर देंगे and now add this one to this one. ठीक है, बैक्टीरियल DNA में हम अपना जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऐड कर दिया. दिस इज अ रिकॉम्बिनेंट DNA, दिस इज रिकॉम्बिनेंट DNA. अब हम इस रिकॉम्बिनेंट DNA को हम किसके अंदर डालेंगे? इनटू द बैक्टीरियल सेल, इनटू द बैक्टीरियल सेल. दिस इज बैक्टीरियल सेल. हाउ, कैसे डालेंगे? ओके, नाउ इंसर्शन ऑफ रिकॉम्बिनेंट DNA इनटू द होस्ट सेल और अ सेल or any other cell or bacterial cell. Okay, this one is gene of interest or DNA. Okay, the ligated DNA is then introduced into the recipient cell. There are several methods of introducing the ligated DNA into the recipient cell. Recipient cell, after making them competent to receive, take up DNA present in the its surrounding. For instance, if a recombinant DNA bearing gene for resistant to an antibiotic like tetracycline is transferred into the E. coli cell, this is bacterial cell, E. coli cell. Suppose the host cell become transformed into the tetracycline resistant cell, only transformants will grow on agar plates containing tetracycline and untransformed recipient cell will die. Now one is able to select a transformed cell into the presence of in the presence of tetracycline. Hence the modified gene obtained is called the selectable marker. Modified gene is called as selectable marker. ठीक है, जो हम जीन को मॉडिफाइड करते हैं, नाउ इट इज कॉल्ड द selectable marker. For example, the tetracycline resistant gene in this case is a selectable marker. इस केस में जो टेट्रासाइक्लिन रेजिस्टेंट जीन होगा दैट इज अ सेलेक्टेबल मार्कर, यानी कि उसका टेट्रासाइक्लिन पे कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. मोस्टली क्या होता है, टेट्रासाइक्लिन इज एंटीबायोटिक किल दैट सेल, लेकिन यहाँ पे इट इज रेजिस्टेंट टू टेट्रासाइक्लिन. द DNA पार्ट और द सेल which is gene is resistant to tetracycline, here it is called the selectable marker. Okay, now next step number 5, that is the obtaining the foreign gene product. Okay, this is the fifth step, is the last step of the topic processes of biotechnology. Fifth and last one, that is obtaining the foreign gene product. Obtaining the foreign gene product. Obtaining the foreign gene product, when we insert a piece of alien DNA into the cloning vector and transfer it to the bacterial or plant or animal cell, the alien DNA gets multiplied. Okay, suppose ये बैक्टीरियल सेल थी, इस बैक्टीरियल सेल के अंदर हमने अपना ये जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वाला रिकॉम्बिनेंट DNA ट्रांसफॉर्म इंटर करवा दिया, इंसर्ट करवा दिया. आफ्टर दैट दिस सेल मल्टीप्लाइज एंड फॉर्म्स नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ सेल. ओके, तो हाउ obtaining the foreign gene products, DNA gets multiplied in almost all recombinant DNA technology. The ultimate aim to produce the desirable protein. हम कोई भी बायोटेक्नोलॉजी की प्रोसेस करते हैं तो मेन एम हमारा क्या है, इज टू फॉर्म और इज टू ऑब्टेन प्रोडक्ट ओनली. It is basically protein. After having cloned the gene of interest and having optimized the condition to induce the expression of the target protein, one has to consider producing it on a large scale. If any protein encoding gene is expressed in a heterologous host, it is called the recombinant protein. Okay, it is called the recombinant protein. Now here the extraction of the gene product on the small scale. In lab, the cultures are used to extracting the desired protein product, but for the best benefit human mankind, the product need to be produced on a large scale in bioreactors or fermenters. ठीक है, हम जो obtain करते हैं foreign gene product, now in a small scale, now we use in lab small culture technique से now we obtain, but in a large scale अगर हमें suppose कोई एंटीबायोटिक बनानी है या कोई वैक्सीन हम बना रहे हैं तो हम उसको लार्ज स्केल पे प्रोडक्शन करेंगे. तो नाउ वी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस obtaining of the foreign gene, we require the bioreactors or fermenters okay, bioreactors or fermenters. Now bioreactors are the large volume about 100 to 1000 liter. Okay, large volume के होते हैं in which raw materials are biologically converted into the specific product. क्या होता है in this bioreactor? Size is about 100 to 1000 liter and here raw material converted into the product. Raw material converted into product in this bioreactor or fermenter. Okay, and converted into specific product, individual enzymes specifically using microbial plant, animal or human cell. Okay, now it provides the optimum condition for achieving the desired product by providing optimal growth condition like temperature, pH, salt, vitamins and oxygen. The most commonly used bioreactor are of stirred tank. Okay, there are two type of bioreactor we use, but most common that is stirred tank reactor, and the second one that is sparged stirred tank. Okay, sparged stirred tank जो basically हम use करते हैं that is stirred tank bioreactor we use commonly. The stirred tank reactor is usually cylindrical or with a curved base or facilitated the mixing of the reactor content. The stir facilitating